If you wondered how to transform your digital creation into a steady stream of income, whether you are a designer, writer, or educator, Payhip offers a seamless platform to sell your digital products and reach our global audience. Imagine earning money while you sleep with your ebooks, courses, and digital art flying off the virtual shelves. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your Payhip store, creating irresistible products, and implementing marketing strategies that convert. Get ready to unlock your potential and watch your digital empire grow. So first of all, I have to do is open my browser and dive into payhub.com. As you can see, here we have the homepage if you want to sign up. So firstly, we have some options like features. About sale, we have digital downloads, online courses, coaching, memberships, physical product. About grow, we have store builder, payments, VAT and taxes, marketing tools, email marketing, and we have also teams, customers, pricing, block, marketplace. If you have an account, all you have to do is log in or get started for free. So let's think over pricing. Here we have simple pricing starting now, no credit card. So it's free forever for sure. We have here zero all features, unlimited products, unlimited revenue. So it's free. And we have here frequently asked question. Do I need to pay PayPal, strip fees? How can my customers and other questions you can read it to more understand about Payhip. Of pricing of course. So let's back. So all I have to do right now is write your email address. So here we have, you can log in, you write your first name, last name, then your email, choose password and create account, and you get your confirmation in your email and start. If you have an account, all I have to do is click over log in here, write email. So you can see this is the homepage. Welcome to Payhip. You have taken the first step to sharing your work with the world. Take a few more things off your to-do list and keep it up the management. Have your dashboard. We have products, add products. We have your store. Your store we have blog posts, diamond. Have your control all aspects of your store log and fill by using the powerful store builder. Again, click over here to launch your store builder. But before that, it's known other things like analytics. We have the all products. You can set the products. If you have various products, you can set the join. Then we have here daily viewers, daily sales. Have here marketing also. Run sell, affiliates, mailing lists, cross-selling, upgrade, and more. Then we have customers, have here subscribers, email updates, sales reports, followers. So this information to more understand. Then we have here notification. Then we have account, we have settings, store builder, file library, explore, marketplace, and logout if you want to log out. Then use Payhip, a creator mode or customer mode. So right now, let's come back to dashboard. As you can see here, we have important steps to get started. First is sign up, so it's done. Then add your first product, set up checkout, and finally customize store design. So all I have to do to add your products, first products, click over store, then click over launch your store builder, then click on at first product. You have your digital products, ebooks, software, and other files. Cards, we have sell your cards, membership, like exclusive content behind, physical products, coaching service, and bundle. So first store, we select digital product. Then here we have a new digital product. First, we have upload product file, write title, for example, pen, sneakers, for example. and price here. Select the price, so it's for example $50. Then you have to add images or embed audio or video up to 90 items. So all you have to do is dive into canva.com. So this is the home page. I already have an account, so this is my account. All you have to do right now is click over custom size and click over 2020 here. As you can see, all you have to do is click over research and write sneakers. You can just select your product. For example, sneakers, we select sneakers. So just select the product and you can delete the name and you write your main username and your address. Also you write your link and you modify background color, position, add comment, add page, notes, duration, timer, page 1 of 1. As you can see, also grid view, present full screen and quick actions, and then you share it and save it. So if you're done with upload a product image, all you have to do right now is add a description for your product. If you want a quick description, all you have to do is dive into chatgpt.com. As you can see, write brief description. Then you get your description and you copy the description and you paste it here. Then here we have visibility. Should your store visitors be able to see the product? First, you have visible, everyone can see the product. Invisible, nobody except you can. Then, so for sure, you choose the first one and you click over add product. So let's back to the home page of Payhip. If you're done the second step, then you click over customize store design to modify the design of your product. Then you click over customize design and you modify it. Then finally we have serve checkout. You have here various things. You can use PayPal account. Please log in securely with PayPal below to start accepting payments like PayPal account, then Stripe account. To get started with Stripe payments, click the button below accept payments with Stripe. Also you can select default currency and your statement descriptions, then you save settings. This is the last. So we have learned how easy it is to create and sell digital products on Payhip, from setting up your store to marketing your creation effectively. Now it's time to take action and turn your passion into a profitable business. With the tools and strategies you have gained, you can confidently navigate the world of digital sales and build a sustainable income stream. Don't wait, start your journey on Payhip today and watch your dreams of digital success become a reality. Your creative empire waits. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.